5 fun facts about rainbows. Colors galore. Rainbows are made up of 7 different colors. Kids can remember them using the acronym ROIGBIV, which stands for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Water and light magic. Rainbows happen when sunlight interacts with raindrops in the air. The sunlight is made up of different colors, and when it passes through the raindrops, it gets bent and reflects, creating the beautiful spectrum of colors we see in a rainbow. Double delight. Sometimes you can see a double rainbow. The second, fainter rainbow appears above the brighter one and has the order of colors reversed. It's like a magical echo of the first rainbow. No two alike. Just like fingerprints, every rainbow is unique. The way the sunlight interacts with the raindrops creates a special pattern of colors, and each time you see a rainbow, it's a one-of-a-kind masterpiece in the sky. Pot of gold myth. Legend has it that there's a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. But here's the catch: the end of a rainbow is actually an optical illusion, so you can never reach it. So, no worries about leprechauns guarding their treasures. Rainbows are like nature's colorful smile in the sky, reminding us of the magical dance between sunlight and raindrops. See you next time for more fun facts from DJC Kids.